Hey, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, 2004 Toyota Tacoma. You're going to see it, you're going to smell it, you're going to drive it, you're going to know exactly what it is. So we don't have anything here to hide. We want to show you exactly what it is. SR5, and it's the TRD off-road package. Thing is just amazing. As you can see, the body panels are all in great shape all the way around. Interior is nice and clean. It's got a few little things with it, but hey, that's what it is. It's got 190,000 miles. What we're going to do is get into the exterior, get into the interior, and at the end of this video, we're going to show you the undercarriage as well. Stay tuned. If you like what you see so far, make sure that you go to our website, classiccaraddict.com. We have more than 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport directly to your driveway. That way you can see everything with this. We do these videos to make sure that you know exactly what you're getting. Now let's get back into the drive. All right, 2004 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. This is a two-wheel drive. It's an SR5. So we've got all the lights on, tag lights are working, regular lights are working. So this thing is actually in really good shape. The body and the paint shows really well. That's why we are actually selling this one. It does have a little bit higher miles. It's not our norm, but you can see there is a few rock chips here in the front. It's an California, Arizona truck. You just look at it, you can tell it's been garaged, because if not, it would not look like this at all. So again, we do have a few small rock chips here in the windshield and then right along here in the top, but look at that roof. It is actually in really good shape. You can just see that is really good shape for its age. It's got the sliding back glass, and also it does have the cover here for the rear. I really do actually like this, the way it just kind of folds up. But you can see all the window seals, everything's all in good shape. Obviously it's got some miles. It's not perfect, but in no means is it in horrible shape. It's actually really good shape. Here's just the front bumper. So getting into the rims, XD series, and then your tires, these are a 265, 65, 18, and these are newer as well. So I really like to see that. Just really good shape. No curb rash, no rock rash. This thing is really good shape. Now, Toyota's still running a rear drum brake, but this one does have your rear drum brake, front disc. See, tires just in good shape overall. And there's a little bit of kind of some checking there, but overall, look at that. I mean, look at the bumper. It's all in good shape. And you can see from the undercarriage at the end of this video, the undercarriage is also in really good shape. It's got new shocks, new suspension, new rims, new tires, timing belt has been done, oil changes, maintenance. So you can see right here, there is a little bit, we'll call it curb rash, rock rash, whatever, but nothing crazy. That could also be from getting on and off the tire, but it seems a little aggressive for that. Coming in here to the front. Now this one is in good shape, does not have any of that. So 3 out of 4 doesn't have any, one of them does have just a little bit. And these are all 22. So these are just about 1.5 years, 2 years old. Yeah, this thing's just great. It runs great. It's a Toyota, so of course it does. When they're well maintained. You can see this one is well maintained. Show you the engine on this one. .4 liter, 24 valve, all the good stuff. As you can just see, really good shape. Even underneath here, really good shape. Timing belt replaced in 215 of 20. Just well maintained. Drives great. AC works. Heat works. Just an overall really good truck. And we'll get in here to the interior. So the interior door panels are actually in good shape. You can see a little bit of wear, but all the locks, windows do work. They are tinted. Auto down. Check the mirror. Up, down, right, left. Up, down, right, left. So that is one. It's like, so passenger side mirror is not, oh yeah, just had to click it a little bit more. Okay, there we go. That's working. Let's do the window. That's working good. And we'll check from each one of the doors too. That's working there in the back. Then that is working as well. So I like to see that. All the windows are working, door locks are working. See, now there's a few, you can see maybe a few little burn holes. I can't say it's from cigarettes, but overall just a few burn holes in there, but it is overall in good shape. There is a little tear that's going on right there, but other than that, it's actually really good shape. Headliner's also in good shape there. Dash is in good shape. All the instrument clusters, all of those do work. Stereo, everything with that works. Here again, it's just in really good shape overall. So you can just see no big stains or tears or burns here in the back. Maybe just one little small one there, but in the front there are a few. But carpet's in good shape. Just really like the overall cleanliness of this vehicle. Windows working. Then here, let's get into the back. So this does have, it is lockable, and then from this there'll be right there, and that will fold up. Now when you put her all the way up, it is one of the arm, well, both the arms are not working. You would need to replace those if you wanted to stay up, but I didn't find any issues with it just laying down flat. Works well. That's what I like to see. Again, you know, a few little scratches on here, but again, carpet, everything is good shape. Window works. Really like it. Doors open and shut just like they should. That nice tinted windows. You see overall just a few small, and I don't even know, they don't, I don't know, I can't really tell if, looks like they could be burns, but could be, those are definitely burns, but these have to, maybe just a few little stains, just a little bit of elbow grease will get that out. Just runs, it's been running the whole time. Runs really good. Again, AC blows cold, don't need it today. Get you guys buckled in here. Alright, been falling off on me, so get that down. It was sitting for a little while, other than its maintenance. We got a full tank of premium in it. it's ready to go. Oil's just been done, drives out really well. You can see from the undercarriage, very well maintained. It's not been, you know, destroyed and off-roaded its whole entire life. It would just be a lot worse condition, and the body as well. So, you know, if it's something that you want to do, you can take it out. Obviously it's just two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive, so, you know, you might get stuck here and there. But if you're looking for a four-wheel drive, you know, obviously this one's not it. We do have quite a few different vehicles that we do get in. Always having a four-wheel drive is a good thing, you know, but it just depends on what you're looking to do with it. Fuel economy is way better. If you want to go out on the beach, something like this, hey, this is something that you can take out there and just be able to enjoy it. Good fuel economy, good maintenance, and, you know, for a little truck, they're a great little truck. Again, this is the 6-cylinder, so you get the upgrade with that. SR5, you got all the good upgrades with it. You do have the rear locking diff, and then you have also, you got a power option as well. Oh yeah. Hey, is it crazy fast? No, but that's not what this is about. This is just about something that you can drive. Maybe your kid, you know, someone that you know is looking for a little vehicle like this that you can actually just put another 190,000 miles on. You know, you've seen them out there. They last forever if you take care of them. You know, the more that you don't take care of them, you know, you get things wrong with them. But the simplicity of the engine, the transmission, everything with it is very simple, easy to work on, and long lasting. Now remember, we have more than 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all classiccaraddict.com. Remember, like, subscribe, and follow. We appreciate it. We make these videos so that you can see how the vehicle is, just how the vehicle is. Obviously, you guys will get the vehicles. If we ship them to you, you come in, you're going to see it, you're going to smell it, you're going to drive it, you're going to know exactly what it is. So we don't have anything here to hide. We want to show you exactly what it is. Thanks for watching. Not only is this Tacoma available, but we have more than 45 vehicles in stock right now, ready to go. We also have many more coming in every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 to 5. Give us a call, classiccaraddict.com, 833-668-5878. All right, this is getting under the 2004 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. And if you just look at this thing, it is in really good shape. You can just see it is a California, Arizona truck its entire life. And that's why it is just nice and dry. You don't have any deterioration or rot. Yeah, you got a little bit of surface rust on the muffler, a couple things like that. But other than that, this thing is just in amazing shape. Look at that. It is just the way that you want it to be. It really is. So it's got 190,000 miles. So it does have a little bit higher miles, but it's been very well maintained, and they've went through and done all of the maintenance on it, and they've got new Bilstein shocks. This thing rides out great. As you saw in the test drive, it is ready to go. Give us a call, classiccaraddict.com.